The next bus to depart from the front of the station will be the 1558 London North Western Railway service to St Albans Abbey. Call it Watford North,
This is the lift at Watford
Howwood,
Junction, platform
Park
7 and 8.
And St Albans Abbey. Front of the station for the 1558 London North Western Railway service.
I think this used to be a Cotswold, but it's been replaced with a Stanner. Capacity is 25 persons, 1875 kilos. Don't know when it was replaced, and I don't know when it was built either.
Subway level.
Here are Subway.
Doors closing.
There it goes. The doors are made by Witter. Get a pit view. It's very slow. There's the pit. Oh, it's hydraulic, that's why. And there's some signs there. And there we are. And that's it.